So I think
Wow.
that's like the new generation of foods is like, instead of trying to spend billions of dollars on drugs to treat you once you get ill, is let's design foods that are going to keep you healthy throughout your life so that you have a better quality life and you live longer and we have less healthcare costs.
Right. Okay. Man, this is great. So it's just extremely preventative, where you're tailoring your food source to just prevent all these diseases.
Yeah, and this is a really old idea, like Hippocrates. So, one of his sayings was like, let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food. And he said this sort of 2,500 years ago. So, he was a person who started modern medicine as a discipline. So right at the beginning of this discipline, they realized that, that food, what you eat could affect your health. So I think, now what we're trying to do is use modern science to see, well, can we actually design foods in a much more rational way to make them healthy and promote your health and stop disease?
Yeah. Man, that is exciting. So I mean, I imagine this is still being developed, but what would that sort of look like? Is it a pill or a vitamin that you take, or what does that mean?
I mean, it could be in the supplement industry, but it could also be things, like just a regular drink, like, your smoothie or some kind of like a milk drink. So
Hey, thanks for watching this video. This is my dog, Murphy, and these are dog treats. Now I'll give Murphy one of these dog treats, and all you have to do is press the like button. Just press that little like button right down there at the bottom of this video, and this sweet, adorable, cute little puppy gets a treat. All thanks to you. Alright, you did it? Okay, I believe you if you said you did it. There you go, Murph. She got that treat because of you. Now, I'll eat one of these treats, and all you have to do is click that subscribe button right there, pointing to it. Just click that subscribe button, subscribe to Curiosityness with me, Travis DeRose. Get lots of good video, and I'll eat this treat. All right, you did that too? That's not very good. Bro, not very good.